Right now, when you are leaving home and you tell your family, me kwabao, kone dia obeko, babano, you ask yourself, are you coming back? When you start looking at these things, you start appreciating life. You start appreciating life. When you start looking at these things, when you say, where you su flight, wakwaba, where you su car, wakwaba, one nanti wakwaba, you start to appreciate life. You start to know that challenge maybe but there is a certain God that is protecting you. It is not because you are holy. Ebia ministers your more time aso. Ebia their time is due. They have to go. They are done. But they are done. I can't know what are we leaving behind? You see some of the good things we are saying about the defense minister and every other person. You see people are saying, oh, they are this, oh, they are that, oh, they are good, this man is that. Only me no say kind of saying like the two of us, if we are gone right now, what are they going to say about us? Have you impacted in someone's life? Have you done something that someone will look back and say, hey, I see me see away with the nyamio, and now people will be happy when you die? It is just by the grace of God. Or me, I look at my life and all I see is God's grace. I look at my life, I look at my brother, I check my life and all I see is and I give him the credit, because me, I can't do it on my own. I can't do it by myself. Man of God, thank you so much. Man of God, I do it. And I don't say me pena media yena media dia chino me ma sorry ntina ye me hey me sorry me hwe mani me hwe ma so cause obi koda ya de chi oti na ni ente wenya ni onso oti na ni a ente okoda se obi ohu ade o sorry se ni freni. So this life, learn to appreciate little things. Obi ohonuma obi san say what is the greatest thing you have achieved as a human being, and I say what is the greatest thing you appreciate in life? Only reka because only car, only dime be papa be de. But me, one thing I appreciate is life. Thank you so much, Mandy. Thank you. One thing I appreciate is life. It is just by the grace of God. That is why I have gotten the opportunity. It is not because I am good, though. Because when we are talking about good, we have people that are way better. And it is God's time for me. I am not in any competition with anyone. God have mercy upon us. As we go, may He bring us back. As we tell our family that I am going and I will be back, may we go and come. Let us not go and then they will pick phone and call our family and be like, Pacho we assume see to me and bao. Share. I have this few months, I have realized that one of the greatest achievements in your daily routine or in your daily life is telling your family that me kwaba na wa kwaba. One of the greatest achievements in a day, even if you go to the shop and you don't sell, is the fact that you have told your family that, oh, I am going to the shop, I'll be back around 6, and it's 6 and you come back safely. Nothing happened to you. Sure, a minister left home in suit. Was in suit and I'm riem me kwaba or baya ednegu koko sak. Ha. How you start the journey doesn't matter. How you start the journey, it doesn't matter. But how you end it matters. How you end it, no, it matters. It matters. It matters. Senya obesha brabona sene de enhye down fa hu biasa. But senya wo be wi abrabono, that is the most important thing. It's the most important thing. You started with nothing, but maybe you are going to end with a lot of things. You started with 0 amounts. Maybe you are going to end with so much that you have no idea about. Yes, there are some people we even went to school with that we don't even know their whereabouts. We hear people are dead and maybe classmates, we don't know. You know, you can attest to it that you meet some of your classmates and you stand there and you ask that, then Amaya would me say, what have I done so special for you to have mercy upon me, to give me your glory and your grace? You ask God these questions because you see some of your classmates and you stand and you're like, Sage we also know 90 or 95 100. I had a classmate, your choice I'm saying I get away 95 or say also 100. Ya ni ebenya 60 70 40 50 no ya ni enam ha no. You see, I had a mate, when she gets 95 crash, she will go and question the teacher. Oh, why did I get 95? Why? What's wrong? What happened? Na teacher said, no, that's not it. No buko. And then maybe I saw my mate. I see her anytime I use that stretch. And or to a bro. So when I'm passing by her, it's not like I don't want to say hi to her. I wish I could park and talk to her, or maybe I meet him one. I will say hi to her, but I don't want her to feel say, hey, every say every corner, make corner so you. But I don't want her to feel that type of way. Inti me hu baby or one day my might be so one day me fa taxi bin ma kon hona me ni na kobon komo WhatsApp chale ya me twema me hu. Me twemu bia me pon adwuma na me ba me twem na or pra ne honum no me pon me kofie me hu say o otutu ebroton. It's not like say otutu ebro enyo, but esa na wo hwe wa bra bo na afede wo appreciate kakra na nyankopon eye ma wo no. Me no mo kasa say ya o, anything can happen. Thank you so much, Edwin. Thank you. Me to me no mo kasa say ya then. That's it. Ebia me nkasa bio. Ebia me hu mo comment bio. Then I'm gone. Then ebesi mo beka ma asema 1 week asa. Then life goes on. Who say, "Uwa, you'll be replaced." Uwa, you'll be replaced. Tinya wo ye bia no, make sure say, wo ye mana so nyankopon and not human. Yeah, such is life. Anything can happen. Yeah, thank you. Anything can happen. Yes, we are pencils in the hands of our Creator. So true. Yeah. Be able to make sure in as much as you want to do things to please yourself, are you pleasing God? You don't have to please human, but are you pleasing God? Are you pleasing your maker? Are you doing something that tomorrow when you are not around we can look at it and say, assume say? Can you think about it? Think about it. Just think about it. Appreciate the little you have. Obi sorry or 100 Ghana crown or 30 800 dem dey obi sorry only one cedi but sorry or say alhamdulillah erade me da wase. Oh, if someone dies, is it the will of God or it's the work of the enemy? Mimi, I don't give credit to enemies. So I'm one person. Anything that happens to me, I feel, oh, it was meant to happen. Inti na nyankopon ama me nyansa no. Inti me hwa ade we kura me ye enye. Obi ho ade no ye no enye obeye. So I just don't give credit to enemies. Me, I am not the type that me the credit to my bonsam. Debi. Me in fact credit to my bonsam. Me my bonsam kra feel say oh to me. No, I don't regard bonsam one bit. Enemy, no, I don't have time for enemy. Yeah, I don't have time for enemy one bit. I'm doing well. Yeah, nyankopon no de ma ono anoje, that's my belief, right? Yeah. I'll say there, Charlie, any shout out for Agrada. When you're serious, so I say make some change and make some plan for tomorrow because you can leave today and be gone tomorrow. Exactly, dear. Exactly. Why the serious face? Uncle, why many the men you're missing? Why not? Did you pray for Scanty this morning? Hey, beautiful. Yes, darling. Phil, what me ask? What about now? Why the serious face? What about now? Start. Hi guys! Oh my God, people that part up on the screen for me. What about your cancer? Why the serious face? What? Lumbe woo. What about was saying why the serious face? Oh, by me pay to home make us. I say why the serious face. Into by now. Hey, Hi guys, you good? Yes, my people. Oh my God. Like seriously, but you are nice. Thank you. I don't mind them. They are worrying me areas because you're a woman. You will understand if you're a man. Man in a blood. Mate, why? Man in a blood. Kopiskano. Why? Unya bompa say ubenya na hostel la obedi. Eno ane hu hia. Highest back scanty baby. Ubende. You look like scanty. Hey. Ube kome. Mitino kwe ajo. You are not nice. You are beautiful. Medase. Beautiful area. Yes, darling. You know, Charlie. Mama, yamfa brabo in your baby. Why? Yamfa your time in your baby.